Welcome to today's video. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to analyze market trends using Vestlye. This platform provides all the tools you need to understand the market and make informed trading decisions. First, log into your Vestlye account. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the Market Overview section. Here, you'll find real-time data for various assets, including stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This is where you'll start your trend analysis. Once you select an asset, Vestlye displays its price chart. You can choose from different time frames: 1 minute, 5 minutes, daily, weekly, or monthly. Each time frame offers a different view of the market, so choose one based on your trading style. For short-term trades, the 1 minute or 5 minute chart is useful, while for longer-term trades, the daily or weekly chart will give you a better overview. Now, let's identify the trend. There are 3 types of market trends: an uptrend, where the price is moving higher, a downtrend, where the price is moving lower, and a sideways trend, where the price is fluctuating within a range. Look at the chart to see which pattern the market is following. Next, use technical indicators to confirm the trend. Vestlye offers various indicators such as moving averages, RSI, relative strength index, and MACD, moving average convergence divergence. The moving average helps smooth out price data to show the overall trend direction. If the moving average is rising, it's a sign of an uptrend. The RSI tells you whether the market is overbought or oversold. An RSI above 70 suggests the market might be overbought, while below 30 indicates it might be oversold. The MACD helps spot trend reversals. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it could signal a buying opportunity, and when it crosses below, it may indicate a sell signal. Another important tool is volume. Volume shows how strong a trend is. Higher volume during an uptrend signals strong buying interest, while higher volume during a downtrend shows strong selling pressure. Look for volume spikes that confirm the direction of the trend. You should also keep an eye out for trend reversals and breakouts. A trend reversal occurs when the market changes direction, and breakouts happen when the price moves beyond a key support or resistance level. Setting alerts for these levels on Vestlye ensures that you don't miss important opportunities. Before making any real trades, it's always a good idea to practice with paper trading. This feature allows you to test your analysis skills without risking real money.